Hey, at least I'm breathing. I know it took a while. Been looking for a sweet song, a sign of spring, waiting for a reason to laugh, to sing. 'Cause I've been spending all my time to figure out just how I've been spending way too many thoughts on what went wrong. But what goes up must come down. Yes, what goes up finally must come down. Hey, at last I'm standing. I know it could be worse. I know it could be broken. We could be crushed. And every word I've spoken could have been my last to you. Instead of spending all my time to figure why you're gone, I've come to this conclusion: in the end, what's done